Yeah, I'm sorry I haven't been around lately. I took a bad fall on the ice a couple of weeks ago and I bruised my right hip and my right shoulder and my head hit the ice. So I had a big lump on my head. It's gone down now. So my snakes love to go outside in the springtime and the summer. And since it's so cold out, that's impossible. That's why I had these windows installed in their snake room so they're up high. So all my enclosures get sunshine and daylight during the day. Every snake gets bright light. But yeah, I took a bad fall. I'm sorry I haven't been up to adding videos. It's kind of hard to sit in one position with a bruised butt. But I'm all right now. I'm recovering. I just wanted to make a point. I just fed these snakes last night. A good point about having a lot of snakes is you never have leftover snake food. Now, I had thawed out 6 medium rats to feed to my 2 adult pythons, Ginger and Tipper, and they aren't ready to eat yet. And this little piggy right here, Fade, ate all 6 of them last night late. So the sun, if you really want to get your snakes going eating again, give them some sunshine and daylight. It really prompts them to go back on the food. That's what I do, and it works great. I'm sorry I haven't been making videos and putting them up. I have enough material and videos and stills to do at least 50 videos, and I'll get back on those this week because I'm feeling quite a bit better. Kind of spooked me. I'm not used to falling, and it was solid ice I fell on. I fell on my complete right side, and everything on my right side hit the ice, but I'm all right now. But I wanted to apologize to my friends. Several people asked about me. I'm all right. It was kind of scary. I was kind of afraid to get up off the ground. It was out front. So I got myself up and I went to my son's house, which is in front of mine, and went to his door, and he walked me back to my house. My daughter April was here. I had trouble walking because I hit my hip really hard, but I'm all right. I rested up most of the past couple of weeks, except with the exception of having the snakes out in the house with me. And the oddest thing is, they knew something was wrong with me because I usually crawl all over me, and they were reluctant to get on me because they sensed that something was wrong with me. It was really unusual, really rare to see them acting like that, but normally they're all over me, and they just didn't want anything to do with me, so they knew something was not right. But as you can see, a lot of my snakes are back on food now because of the bright sun and the light that comes in here during the day. Look at the snow out there. We're still got mounds of ice everywhere. But I keep it about 75 degrees, 75 to 80 in the snake room. I have an electric heater that heats the whole room. They all have belly heating pads, and every enclosure has a basking light. So they're doing great. They make it through the winter just fine. I need to vacuum. Sorry about the mess, but I'm all right. I just wanted to apologize to my friends for not letting them know what was going on. I'm all right. And I do miss talking to you, but we'll be back in the swing of things this coming week, I'm sure. And you guys all take care and stay safe. I haven't fallen in 7 years, so that really surprised me. Don't you knock my lamp over. Hey. No. Here we go. That's hot. Get your nose out of there. I'm going to burn your nose. You wackadoo. You're not getting my coffee. Give it up. Here you go huffing. See? Stop moving so much. Chill out for a while. Got yourself huffing again. What a pain you are. You're so cute. You're so cute. Quit rubbing your nose. There we go. Time to flip over the plastic tote again. Pain in the butt. Usually he'll just lay here with his head over the edge and watch TV with me. He wasn't out yesterday because I've had a rough week, so I haven't had him out as much as I usually do. So now when I let him out, he doesn't stop. He just keeps going and going and going and going. So he hasn't been laying around watching TV with me lately. He's been on the prowl constantly. You're a big baby. You're a big baby. He went to sleep on your lap.
Yeah, he did. Lazy bum.
Chewy. Sound asleep. Oh well, so much for activities. Huh. Carla's got a lap snake.
I think I'm stuck here.
I think you so, yeah. I think Chewy likes you a lot.
Anytime I come in the door, he's freaking trying to get out of there.
They do. They love to greet people. Is your girlfriend here? So that's no way to act. You get on her and fall asleep.
Am I that boring? He's definitely...
Is he wrapped all the way around your back? Yep.
Yeah, his tail's over here.
Okay.
That's why I said I have
So
a
I'm
sleep.
anchored. I went to sleep.
Yep.
I'm good.
He's got his nose in the fur on my boot.
You got to the part with the flying locust show?
Yeah, can't you tell he wants to get away from you? Yeah.
He seems so discontented.
He's tolerating you. Can't you tell?
I guess I'm not that insufferable after all.